This is the smartphone mount 2 bracket from SnakeClamp products. It has an adjustable foot at the bottom for longer devices. Simply press the buttons to unload the side mounts. On the back is a locking collar. Simply insert your device and squeeze the side brackets to lock it into place. The smartphone mount 2 bracket is an improvement over our original version. This has a rubber backing as well as rubber side grips. The smartphone mount 2 bracket includes our machined 17mm aluminum ball, which fits into the socket. Simply screw the 17mm ball into your flexible gooseneck arm. Gently tighten the set screw to lock it into place. Then slide the locking collar over top the ball and insert it into the socket. Then tighten the locking collar to lock it into place. You can tilt and swivel the smartphone mount 2, and when you find the optimal position, tighten the collar to lock it into place. The smartphone mount 2 bracket accommodates devices between 2 1/8 and 3 3/4 inches wide. It weighs 4 ounces. This is part number SCP-SP2, the smartphone mount 2 bracket from SnakeClamp products.